we're at Camp Toccoa. Somebody will have to tell me. I think that's an old DC-3. I guess that's what they used. But y'all will have to tell me because I'm not sure. I guess I should know, but I don't. We're going to get this video headed back to Toccoa. It's closed Monday through Thursday. If we're up here on a weekend or whenever it's open, we will come back and get video of this. It's been nice to have. Okay, well, let's stop it and then we'll head back to Toccoa. Okay, like I said, if we're up here on the when this opens Saturday 10 to 3, Friday and Sunday 12 to 3. Okay. Cornelia to the left, Toccoa to the right. What was this? US 123? There's Santa Claus. Lake Russell Wildlife Management Area. We'll have to explore that as well. We have a couple of, or at least one, maybe two, Lake Russell Wildlife Management Area videos. And the fire tower over in Cornelia. We've got one video I can't find where we actually got to, it was open, we got to walk up in the fire tower. Try to put this video together and get it uploaded into Toccoa rather than wait because the internet connection is so bad where we're at. It's a waste of our time. Have to explore this US 76 here too. I didn't know it came down this far. We'll have to check it out and see what's going on with that. Georgia 184 to the right, take you to Toccoa, to Homer. That'd be a good ride. We need to do that. Okay, Westminster, South Carolina, 22. 76. Where was it? I know I did. Something fishy, folks. Okay, that sign back there, I looked in the mirror, it said alternate 76. Neon signs, how about that? Coming back into Toccoa now. we can cross over the tracks. Not there. I know there's an underpass, probably right up here. Yeah, right here. Livonia 17, Westminster 18. We've got time to go to Westminster. I like Westminster, South Carolina. Let's swing through town. We'll turn this one off and see about putting it together. Because if we were to go to South Carolina, we'd have to cross over the Toccoa River. I'm pretty sure. And we got Christmas light video of this the other night. Really neat. There's a lot of nice Christmas lighting from here. Y'all need to check out if you like watching Christmas lights. Even got some sort of Christmas parade. I wish I'd known. We'd have stayed right here and waited for it, but we didn't know. Probably add a couple of pictures from the other night onto this. Okay, let's turn this one off. Find our way across the other side of the tracks, or wherever directions are to Westchester. Tuesday, 16th of December, 2025. 1:20, 58 degrees. Stop at this camp up here, or the ranger camp. It's not open, but we'll be able to get a picture. Camp Toccoa, Georgia. Okay, here are the hours. We're going to stop this and zoom out a little bit.